Hello, I'm coming today to show you my new set. Now, I know I wasn't going to do a Christmas set, but I had several people ask me what I was going to do on my nails for Christmas, so I went ahead and did one. I also broke this nail, so I replaced it, and then I just backfilled the others with the new glitter. And on my nails, this red glitter that's on here. It is a mix that I made myself. But the glitter that's on the tips, which is really pretty, you can see it, is a sand mix that I got from I Run Scissors in her little goodie bag, which came in this envelope. And it's called Christmas Garland. And it's that sand mix I showed you. It's got some red in it. It's really, really pretty. And that is what I put on my nails. So I just wanted to share that with y'all. And like I said, I think she still has some of those baggies left. So if y'all want to get some, go ahead and contact her. And thanks for watching. Bye.